Today I'm gonna be building Lego thing. I don't really know what it's called on Lego Creator, so this is what it looks like. Then now I'm just gonna open it, but first I have to get my scissors. So I got it, so now I'm just gonna open it.
What is this? What is this?
Lego parts.
A Lego video series?
Here's the first one. I'm gonna build the plane. So there's a T-Rex, an airplane.
What is the tablet on? What percent is the tablet on?
A car.
See, okay, gosh.
Okay, so I'm just gonna build the airplane because it looks much easier. So
That looks hard.
the car is the hardest.
Which one? What is that?
So,
I think that's the hardest.
oops, body open. First pack. As you see right here, it says that it's actual size. So I found two pieces right here. So I'm gonna try to see if it actually is. Oh, it actually is. So right now I'm gonna separate the colors. As you can see, it is the actual size, but a little bit bigger. It's a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna separate the colors.
Is this the only video you're doing right now?
Now I'm gonna open the other pack. So yes.
No, I mean, like, are you done with this? Are you done with this? Is this like your only?
There's another one inside this one. And it's a little one. This is my first video, so please press like if you do like it. I don't really care what you say. So this is my first video. I just got this tablet and I'm trying my best to do something because I just got bored and I want to do this. So please press like if you do like it. There's a pack inside this one. Now that I separated it, there, I separated it there. Okay, so now I'm gonna build it. So it says for like number one, I have to get this piece and this piece. So then I have to connect it like this. Next, I have to get a black piece like this. like this. So then I'm gonna stick it on this, and then now I have to get another black piece. So is this one. Now it looks like this. Then I get another 6-piece. And I'm not gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna do this. So clip it onto the bottom. So now I have to get another 6-piece, that I have to get a 4-piece, a 4. Now to get this, a 4-piece Lego. Now it looks like this. So now it says to get a 3-piece Lego, which is this. How to clip it on like this. Clip it right there. Now to get this piece, I have to put it right there. Then I have to get 4. I have to find 4 of these. And I have to put them all around. So I'm gonna have to do like 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what it looks like now. Right now I'm making the helicopter, and remember, this is my first video. Please subscribe if you like it. Now I have to put 2 of these on the on the back part of the thing. This is what it looks like. Now, but I do have to connect something else to it. So now I have this, and I'll put it right there, and then I have to get the 2-piece ones. So then this is what it looks like. Looks like a little scorpion. Is not to have these. Looks like this. Okay, so I'm gonna clip. I have to get something else too, but I'm gonna show you after this. So then I'll clip it right here. Then I had to get Now I have to get one more of this. So I'm gonna put it like this. So I'm gonna build the rest of this. So now I'm gonna do the rest of this, but I'm gonna pause this video and do the rest of it. I'll show you at the end what it looks like. There's 24 stages to do. There's 24 stages to do. So I am 7 years old. I was born. Yeah, I'm not gonna give up. But I'm 7 years old, and I'll try to finish this. I will try to finish this, but it'll take a while. Cause I love Legos, but this one might take a while. Now that I'm done, this is what it looks like. Uniform? Yeah.
You're in uniform? So what are you waiting for? Why is that shoe there? Why is that hanger there?